So there's a little trick to recording your screen on a Mac if you don't need to use the internet or if you don't want to use a browser to do it. I am going to go to all applications and I'm going to go to Quicktime Player. And it's going to ask me to open a file, and it doesn't matter, I'm not going to. And then within Quicktime Player, you can go to File. You can do New Audio, New Movie, or New Screen Recording. So I'm going to do New Screen Recording, and I'm going to hit Start and click to record the full screen, drag record part of the screen in by clicking the button. So there is this button right here, meaning now the QuickTime Player is recording this screen. So if I open up this tab, everybodylovespancakes.com. So right now I'm doing a screen recording just using the native QuickTime Player. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, and then it's going to bring that up. You can hit play, and I believe if you go to close it, it's going to ask you where do you want to save it. And I'm gonna save QuickTime Example on the desktop and hit save. And you can see right here, QuickTime Example. If I open it up, it's right there. So that is how you can do a screencast or screen recording on your Mac without any software or any other add-on.